What if your notebook could listen, transcribe, and even organize your life, all while feeling like real paper? Sound futuristic, right? Well, the future is here with the iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2, a device that can change your work and study. Now let's dive into the unboxing and first impression of this productive powerhouse. Straight out of the box, we are greeted with a sleek minimalist design. Inside you will find the 8.2-inch e-ink tablet, a passive vacuum electromagnetic pen, USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and user manual. At just 5 mm thin, it's super lightweight, coming in at around 230 grams. It's all about the size of an iPad mini, but with much narrower bezels. The matte e-ink display looks fantastic, reflects very little light, perfect for outdoor use without cranking up the brightness. Let's talk about design. This device has 1440 by 1920 resolution with 293 ppi, giving you sharp text and crisp visuals. Unlike traditional LCDs or OLEDs, this e-ink screen provides a paper-like experience, reducing glare and eye strain. Whether you are reading under a lamp or outside, it doesn't matter. It's optimized for any lighting condition, and Bluetooth 5.0. The iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2 is powered by a 2600 mAh battery, which might not sound massive by today's smartphone standards, but for an e-ink device, it's more than enough. Why? The e-ink display is incredibly power efficient, sipping energy only when the screen changes. With average daily use, taking notes, recording meetings, and reading PDFs, you are looking at 2 weeks of battery life on a single charge. For heavier use like long transcription session or constant writing, it should still last several days before you need to plug it in. When it's time to recharge, the USB-C port gets the job done quickly. A full charge typically takes just 2 hours, so you are not stuck waiting around. Here is what the AINOTE Air 2 shines. Tap the record button in the Notes app and the 4 microphone array captures audio with high accuracy even in noisy environments. The transcriptions happen almost in real time, supporting 14 languages like English, Chinese, Japanese, and French. The vacuum pen makes writing feel just like pen on paper. Plus, it converts handwritten notes into searchable digital text, supporting 83 languages, which is ideal for drafting documents or even for sketching. You can easily create to-do lists, set reminders, even tag tasks as high priority with a simple star mark. Also, you can summarize lengthy notes or audio recording with integrated AI tool, perfect for students and professional workers. For ebook lovers, this device is a dream. It supports a variety of formats including PDF, EPUB, MOBI, and text format, and even syncs with a built-in bookstore. Whether it's a textbook, novels, or articles, the reading experience is highly customizable with text resizing, contrast settings, and audiobook support. Another cool feature is the camera. The iFLYTEK Air 2 comes equipped with a 5 megapixel camera, but it's not your typical camera for selfies or scenic shots. Instead, this camera is purposely built for document scanning and productivity. Whether it's a meeting notes, handouts, or important papers, the camera captures high quality scans with remarkable clarity. It's perfect for digitalizing physical documents and storing them directly into your notes. Once scanned, the documents can be edited or even transcribed using this device's powerful AI tool. The camera also supports OCR, allowing you to extract text from printed documents for quick editing or searching. This feature bridges the gap between physical and digital workflow, making the AINOTE Air 2 a must-have tool for professionals and students. The standard feature is the integration of voice, writing, and AI summarization in one device. Whether you are in a meeting, a lecture, or just brainstorming, the AINOTE Air 2 lets you record audio, transcribe notes, and tag specific moments to revisit later. It's like having your own personal assistant, only smarter and paper thin. The iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2 is a game changer for anyone juggling meetings, study sessions, or creative projects. With its sleek design, long battery life, and advanced AI tool, and with 5 megapixel document scanning camera, it's just not a notebook, it's a portable productivity powerhouse. So, could the AINOTE Air 2 replace your traditional notebooks or tablets? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe Bytes for more tech reviews. As always, I catch you in the next one.
I just wanna see the light.